stop. If this reading has reached you, then there is a reason for it. I have put out all the right hashtags and all the keywords for this message to reach you. So if you're seeing this message, then this is not a coincidence. I want this message to come to you. This is a purposefully sent message for you. So don't ignore this, and definitely keep this reading saved somewhere for you to come back to it. This is a timeless reading. So whenever you watch this reading, it will make sense, right? So let's see what the universe wants to tell you. You are in some sort of an awakening. I feel like there is a resurrection that is happening. You're waking up to some kind of truth. You've realized some kind of a truth about yourself or about the world, about the society, and you are realizing that there are certain lies that you have been telling yourself or the world has been telling you, and you are coming out of it. These lies or these half truths definitely have made you feel a little disappointed, but you're still like, there is something more in me, there's something more left in me, right? Whatever you're waking up to, you're realizing that thank God now I'm awake. Thank God now I've woken up to all the, I'm getting this feeling of like there is this kind of a matrix that you were kind of caught up in, and you're kind of realizing and cutting out of that matrix, or you're escaping this matrix. Now this matrix could be about your career, it could be about your personal life, it could be about finances, it could be about anything, but there is this kind of a switch that is very, very important for you. You're starting to feel more empathetic towards yourself. I feel like you're starting to understand yourself better. You're understanding who you are, what you're made up of, and there is this kind of a unapologetic love towards yourself that you're having, which is very, very nice, because ultimately you're realizing that and the entire society is trying to make you go against yourself. It's trying to make you your own biggest enemy, and you've had enough of it. You're realizing that right now you're going to stop it. Right now you're going to come into your own energy, your own reality. This is an energy that is lasting for you for a considerable amount of time. This is a way of life for you now. This is who you are as a person. You're a person with a boundary, with a certain sense of rules and regulation, a morality, and a sense of affirmation in life, and a sense of dignity that you're going to live in your life. So this attitude that you're carrying is actually very, very beneficial for you in the longer run, to be able to conquer the world, to be able to come out as a victor, or to be able to come out as a king. You know that this truth needs to be understood. You have to come out of the lies that the society is telling you, or that you've been telling yourself, and be able to improve on the version that you have already been.